Hi, I'm Tracy and welcome to Sweet Bay Lane. Thanks for joining me. In this video, you will learn how to achieve a custom framed look using Dollar Tree photo frames. And the good news is this is part 1 of a 5-part series making use of those inexpensive Dollar Tree photo frames in surprisingly new ways. So let's get started. The supplies are quite simple for this project. You'll need an 8x10 photo frame with the white raised photo matting on the inside. You'll see why this is important later. You'll also need a 4x6 photo frame with a thin profile in a color matching the 8x10 frame. The other supplies consist of a scrapbook paper in your favorite pattern and a glue stick. I start by dismantling the 8x10 photo frame and gluing the scrapbook paper to the inside of the cardboard frame backing. Now that we have the scrapbook paper securely attached to the cardboard backing of the 8x10 frame, we move on to the 4x6 frame, and first we will remove its little kickstand and insert our photo. I will then attach to the center of the 8x10 cardboard backing. In this next step in the process, we circle back to the actual 8x10 photo frame by removing the little slip of paper inside and making sure to keep the photo mat trim with the little risers, the little foam risers inside the photo frame. And the final step in this project is assembling the 8x10 frame, bending down the framer's points, and voila, you've got a beautifully custom framed photo on a budget. Now, as you'll see here, I actually did a set of 3 of these gold with the Lilly Pulitzer inspired scrapbook paper, but imagine this in a set of 6 or 9 on a wall as a gallery wall. I think that would be absolutely stunning on a very, very inexpensive budget. I also did one in the black with kind of a fall scrapbook paper behind it, and I think that turned out gorgeous too.